XL package remote start 8-passenger removable extra seat Apple CarPlay third row seating alloy wheels backup camera collision avoidance dual climate control dual power sliding doors GPS navigation /radio /Sirius /Blue heated seats lane departure warning memory seats power rear hatch power sliding sunroof push to start button rear heating /AC climate control V6 engine intelligent cruise control leather seats power seats blind spot monitoring dynamic stability control service records are included with the purchase of this well-maintained pre-owned vehicle. This Honda Odyssey XL is in great condition both inside and out. No abnormal wear and tear. This 2021 Honda Odyssey XL is not like every other automobile. The Honda was equipped with many of the added features that make this vehicle such a unique automobile to own and drive. Added comfort with contemporary style is the leather interior to heighten the quality and craftsmanship for the Honda Odyssey XL. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.